Hey there! In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a super simple tree skirt. It is a tree skirt that anybody can make. I've got the pattern for you, and I'm going to show you how to add some tassels to that tree skirt. If that sounds like something you want to see, stick around. The full tutorial is coming right up. Hey all, I'm Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects. From simple, easy crafts to seasonal home decor, you're gonna find all kinds of cool tutorials right here. If that sounds like something you wanna see, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. I'm here every week sharing brand new tutorials just for you. Today I am showing you how to make a tree skirt. And not just any tree skirt, but a fun, colorful, modern tree skirt with tassels. We're gonna start by showing you how easy it is to make any kind of a tree skirt. So if you're out shopping for something new to put around your tree and you can't find it, then take a look at this tutorial and I'm gonna show you exactly how to customize one for your home. I'm choosing to customize mine with some bright, colorful tassels to go around this tree right here. Now in this project, you can use a sewing machine if you have one. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do that. Or grab your hot glue gun. You can do this as a no-sew project too. So let's jump right in. I'm gonna show you exactly how to make a tassel tree skirt. I hope you found that project easy and inspiring. Now you can go out and make your own tree skirt. This little white tree right here is going to be all decorated for the holidays with a tree skirt and some DIY ornaments. And this tree is hanging out here in my kids' playroom. It's the perfect spot for a bright, white, modern, colorful Christmas tree. So if you were gonna go make your own tree skirt, tell me what kind of trim you would add. Write down in the comments. Would you add tassels? Would you add something more traditional? Let me know what you're gonna add to your tree skirt. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video, and I will be back next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.